First I go to Farmer Pig. He's strong and kind and warm and big. Here's your wool so soft and round. You can wear it all year round. Farmer Pig says thank you sheep, and dances in his boots so deep. Next I trot to Granny Goat, in her house with a flowered coat. She knits with love, she knits so fast. Her cozy scarves forever last. Thank you dear, she softly said. With wool she knit a cap for her head. Last I see a little boy, waiting there with shouts of joy. He's got red shoes and curly hair, and hugs his wool like a teddy bear. Thank you sheep, he laughs with glee. You brought a gift just for me. Free back share, the job is done. Helping friends is so much fun. Now I hear the chickens peep, so off I go, no time to sleep. Cluck, 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 it's breakfast time. Let's head to the hens in a happy line. Cluck, 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 the sun is bright. Henny Penny jumps with delight. Time to cook, time to bake. Farm fresh eggs and yummy cake. She calls her friends from left to right. Let's start breakfast, hold on tight. Henny cracks eggs, 1, 2, 3, in a bowl as round as can be. Mix and stir, add some cheer. Breakfast time is drawing near. She sings a song with every beat. Farm fresh eggs are such a treat. Uh-oh, oops, the batter flies. It lands on Piggy's sleepy eyes. Goat slips in flour, takes a spin, and the little chick falls in a tin. They all laugh and tumble round. What a silly, splashing sound. Done, it's time to eat. Everyone finds a comfy seat. Juice in cups and toast so warm. Happy hens on the cozy farm. Black sheep joins with cheerful grace. Thanks for food and eggy face. After food and giggle time, let's go march in a muddy line. Henny says let's dance and moo. Follow cow, we've things to do. Down the hill to mooing sounds. Next adventure comes around. Moo moo cow loves mud so deep. Splash and squish before we sleep. Follow me and jump right in. Let the muddy fun begin. They stomp and jump with squishy glee. Mud goes flying, 1, 2, 3. Piggy rolls and flops around. Chick makes muddy splashing sounds. Goat does flips with wild delight. Moose says hold your pants on tight. They're muddy top to tiny toe, and laughing loud as rivers flow. Let's make pictures, Moo declares. Paint with mud, who really cares? They make a smiley on the tree, a muddy flower and a bumblebee. Art with giggles, joy so loud. Silly farm makes Moo so proud. from head to toe. To the splash pool we all go. Moo jumps first and makes a wave. Even Pig forgets to shave. Water soaks their tails and toes. Now they're clean, well almost close. Squeaky clean and feeling fresh. Drying off with barnyard mess. Quack says, "Duckling, follow me. It's pond party by the willow tree." So off they run with happy feet. Next big tale will be a treat.
Waddle fast, says Duckling bright. The pond party is such a sight. With floaties, hats, and towels in beak, they march down past the muddy creek. Hats are flying, flippers flip. Moo shouts, "Don't forget your dip." Splash goes Chick, she couldn't wait. Pig dives in, the splash is great. Duckling spins in floaty round, making circles without a sound. Laughter bubbles up like fizz. This pond party is the biz. Past the lily goat yells out. Chick giggles, "Watch me shout." They play duck tag and floaty race. Pig is sunscreen on his face. Snacks of corn and carrot cakes. Everyone joins in the bakes. Duckling spins with flappy flare. Wings in air, feet everywhere. Chick joins in with happy hops. Goat does flips and never stops. Moo jumps high, a belly bop. The dance party just won't stop. Sun goes down with orange skies. Tired ducks rub sleepy eyes. Duckling smiles and takes a bow. That's enough for now and wow. Just then neighs come from the hay. Hop aboard, says horse, hooray.
Clip-clop, clip-clop, here we go. Horse pulls the wagon nice and slow. Pig brings snacks and Chick brings hats. Henny Penny waves to cats. Hay flies up, the ride begins. With Moo and Duckling's giggle spins. Up the hills and through the trees. Horse says, "Hold on to your knees." Chick bounces high and lands in hay. Pig rolls round all the way. Goat grabs hat as wind goes whoosh. Black sheep yells, "Giddy up, whoosh!" Neigh and sing, says horse with pride. This is our musical ride. Birds go tweet and cows go moo. Chick goes peep and Pig says boo. Duckling quacks a happy beat while Henny Penny drums her feet. Surprise, says horse, a hay slide fun. They zoom down one by one by one. She goes, and Goat goes, whoa. Pig gets stuck, and Moo says, go. Laughter rings as they all fly through the hay against the sky. As night comes close and fireflies glow, they lay on hay in a golden row. Horse hums soft, the wagon rocks. They'll snuggle in like cuddly socks. Then woo, they hear from high above. It's out with eyes as wide as love.
Hoo-hoo, says owl so wise. A treasure waits beneath the skies. He flaps his wings, his eyes aglow. Follow me, let's find it slow. Horse wakes up with sleepy neigh. A treasure hunt. Hip hip hey. Ooh. Step by step through sparkling trees, owl hums soft with forest breeze. Goat trips up and finds a shell. Pig snorts loud, its treasure smell. Moo and chick hold hands and sing, while Henny spots a golden ring. 3 stone steps and a whispering tree. Owl hums soft with forest breeze. Goat trips up and finds a shell. Pig snorts loud, its treasure smell. Moo and chick hold hands and sing, while Henny spots a golden ring. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 3 stone steps and a whisper tree. Say the rhyme, then count to 3. Owl gives clues, they stop and think. Black sheep winks with a thoughtful blink. Pig says boo, but nothing moves, till Duckling sings with perfect grooves. Ooh. Boom, the ground begins to shake. A shiny chest, the forest wakes. They jump and cheer and dance around. We did it, echoes all around. Inside they find some glowing snacks and rainbow boots and fancy packs. Put 'em on, says owl with cheer. These boots go fast, let's disappear. They zoom around in glowing lines, with giggles, flips, and shiny shines. Then woof, they hear and turn around. A dog appears with bouncy sound.
Let's have fun from dawn till dark.
A race, the animals cheer. Let's go fast and leap with cheer.
They zoom and bounce with rainbow boots and laugh while doing happy hoots. Boing, 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 they leap so high. Over hay that reaches the sky. Dog spins fast and flips again. Chick falls down but laughs in pain. Goat sticks hay right in his horn, while Henny honks like a car horn. Slippy slidey giggles moo, mud is squishy in my shoe. Dog jumps in with splash and roll. Pig just dives into a bowl. Duckling skids then spins around, while sheep slides like she's on the ground. They see the flag, it's almost there. They run with wind whooshing their hair. Then Black Sheep trips on Chick's long hat, and all of them fall splat, splat, splat. They laugh and roll, no one is mad. Best race ever, shouts a lad. What a mess, says Dog with glee. Let's wash up beside the tree. They splash and clean, their boots go squeak. Then croaks a sound, ribbit, so meek. A happy frog jumps up with soap. Let's get clean and slide on slope. Let's build a slide. Frog said quick, make it long and make it slick. Soap and water, wee and woo. slide like rockets zooming through. They grab a tarp in buckets wide. It's time to make the ultimate slide. Frog slides first with a splashy croak, then spins and flips, what a soak. Dog goes next, tail wagging fast, zooms by pig who's stuck at last. Push me, piggy begs, while goat zooms by on dancing legs. The slide goes twisty, left and right they scream with joy and zero fright. Whee! Says Owl with wings spread wide, look at me, I'm Aaron Slide. They spin in loops like dizzy dough, with water spraying to and fro. Splash and sploosh, the slide now ends right inside the pond of friends. They land in bubbles, splashy waves, with giggles echoing in caves. Even Farmer laughs from shore, you animals are fun galore. Then sunlight shines, the pond so bright, a rainbow glows with magic light. What's that quack? The frog shouts loud. A duckling comes through sparkly cloud. She rides a lily pad with cheer. I bring rainbow games right here.
Let's play games and duck with glee. A rainbow race for you and me. Pass the ball, then run so fast. The colors blur and zoom right past. All lined up, bright flags held high. The race begins beneath blue sky. Catch it, chick did shout. Don't drop the ball when you're out. Pig caught it with muddy hands. Go ran quick on dancing lands. Frog leapt high and passed with cheer. The ball shined bright, all friends near. Pull hard, the duckling said. Hold on tight and don't let head. The rope was bright with color 7. Friends tugged hard under blue heaven. Owl flew up to cheer and shout. You're almost there, pull it out. Pop the bubbles, sheep did say. Colors float and fly away. Bubbles big and bubbles small danced and sparkled, one and all. Piggy jumped and popped with glee, while Puppy laughed joyously. Oh, the sun goes down, the sky turns gold. The friends dance close, their stories told. Tomorrow's fun will be brand new, said Duckling with a happy coo. They spin and twirl in colors bright. Good night, farm, and sleep tight night. The sky is dark, the stars appear, twinkling bright and oh so clear. Sheep looks up with gentle eyes. Time for sleep under starry skies. Close your eyes, the moon's so high. We'll dream sweet dreams as clouds float by. Hush now, little ones, don't you cry. The night is calm, the stars are nigh. Sheep hum soft with voice so sweet, a lullaby, a gentle beat. dream of fields where flowers bloom, and happy sun will chase the gloom. A gentle breeze begins to blow. It rocks the leaves all soft and slow. Owl flaps wings and whispers sweet as friends drift off without a rush. The moon shines bright, the night so still. All tucked in, the world is chill. Dreams they float on clouds so high, flying past stars in the night sky. Girl dances with the comet's tail, while chick rides on a gentle gale. The world of dreams so big and bright fills their hearts with pure delight. The dawn will break, sun will rise and friends awake. But now it's time to rest and stay. Good night far till break of day. With sleepy smiles they say good night, and dream until the morning light.